and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX weekly outlook for Monday, May 11th. The euro declined 0.58% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1201. The euro fell against the dollar on Friday after the latest US employment report came in broadly in line with market expectations, indicating that the economy is to continue to grow. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1049, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.0893. The pair is expected to find spread resistance at 1.1377, and the rush through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1549. In the week ahead, investors will be turning their attention to the US data on retail sales and consumer sentiment for fresh indications of the strength of the economy recovery. The Eurozone is to release that will be closely watched preliminary estimate on the first quarter growth on Wednesday. The British pound declined 0.31% against the US dollar and closed down 1.5456. The pound rallied against the dollar and the euro on Friday after Prime Minister David Cameron's Conservative Party won a surprise majority in the British elections, easing concerns over the prospects of lengthy coalition negotiations. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5187, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.4918. The pair is expected to find spread resistance at 1.5625, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5794. The US dollar rose 0.13% against the Japanese yen and closed at 119.78. The US dollar recovered from a brief dip and turned in the positive territory versus the Japanese yen in Asia, lifting US dollar Japanese yen to fresh session highs just shy of 120 mark, largely as fresh Asian buying boosted the greenback during the US employment data releases on Friday. The pair is expected to find support at 119.05, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 118.29. The pair is expected to find spread resistance at 120.55, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 121.29. The Australian dollar declined 0.62% against the US dollar and closed at 0.7844. The Australian dollar rose against its US counterpart on Friday as slightly weaker than expected data on the US non-farm payrolls added for speculation that the Federal Reserve may hold off raising interest rates in the immediate future. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7806, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7680. The pair is expected to find spread resistance at 0.8427, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.8162. Gold declined 0.10% against the US dollar at 1188.90. Gold prices rose on Friday as traders readjusted their expectations on how soon the Federal Reserve might raise US interest rates following the release of slightly weaker than expected data from non-farm payrolls. The pair is expected to find support at 1187.86, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1165.57. The pair is expected to find spread resistance at 1199.94, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1210.97. That was it for today. Make sure you check out our new affiliate program. As an IB, you will not only be maximizing your growth potential, but you will also enhance your client network. The CommexFX Introducing Broker program is one of the most rewarding in the forex industry. Spend the night by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.